spoke the world into your hands, creation formed by Christ. Heaven and earth responding, all seen and unseen bow the knee. Every realm, every throne answers to your majesty. Nothing stands outside your will. All that is finds purpose still. Through him all things came to be. For him all things exist. Every power, every name finds its life in Christ alone. Through him and for him, all glory belongs to him. Through him and for him, Jesus, you are Lord of all. Rulers rise and rulers fall. Kingdoms fade, but you remain. Every power under heaven is held by your eternal reign. Visible and yet unseen. Every force, every authority, all creation lifts one song. You alone are supreme. Oh, from the highest height to dust, all creation trusts your love. Through him, all things came to be. For him, all things exist. Every power, every name finds its life in Christ alone. Through him and for him, all glory belongs to him. Through him and for him, Jesus, you are Lord of all. Heaven declares it a free price. Angels sing it through the skies. Every throne beneath